Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to request a refund for a Steam game. So the first thing you have to do is open up Steam. I have a desktop shortcut here. So once Steam is opened, the next thing you have to do is go to the top right corner and select your account. And once you select your account in the top right corner, a list of options will appear. Select the option that says account details. Now in the account details page, you'll see different options, and on the right side, you'll see an option that says view purchase history. Click on the view purchase history option. So once you've opened up the purchase history, all of your purchases will appear here. So select the one you want to refund for. For me, it is this one. And here the Steam support page will appear, and on the bottom, you will see an option that says I would like a refund. So you can click on I would like a refund. Once you click on this, then the next thing you have to do is on the bottom again, you'll see an option that says I'd like to request a refund. Click on that again. This will open up a page just below. So here it will tell you the consequences of refunding. That means it will remove the game from your Steam library and your computer. And just below that, you can also input the reason as to why you want to remove the game. So I'm going to choose one reason. After submitting your reason, it's important to note that Steam will only refund you if the purchase is less than 14 days old and you've played less than 2 hours of the game. I am viable for this option. So after you finish that, at the bottom, you'll see an option that says submit request. Click on the submit request button. So Steam has received my refund request, and they will refund me after reviewing my request based on their policy. And this is how you can refund your games on Steam. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.